I hope you all have watched our first part where we identified few ways to have fun time with our family. Now in this video we will identify few things to do inside the house with our family members. So students, what did you do on Sunday at home? How are you spending your quarantine time? Did you all have fun today? What did you do? At home, we can do many things, as we can read books, we can cook, we can play indoor games like Ludo, Carrom and many other board games also. When it is raining, we can go out. These games still help us to have fun at home. Yes? So do you do things like this at home? Who do you do these with? What else we can do to have fun like this at home? Yes, we have many ways. As we have learned, we do different things at home to have fun, like reading books, watching TV, listening songs, playing many different board games and cooking also.
We can read storybooks. We can play indoor games such as Ludo, Carrom, chess. We can listen to music. We can paint or draw pictures. We can watch television. We can dance and sing. Which of these is your favorite indoor activity?
It is important to play because, as we learned in our last video also, when we spend some time together, we come closer to each other. And these are the some ways that how can we spend time together at home. Okay students, now let's take an overview of our content book, page number 22. Here, can you see a picture? A family is given. Here's a small family, mother, father and 3 sisters. Yes students, we learned in our last video that we should spend some time together, and every family has its own way to doing fun together. Students, now here in your content book also one example is given for you. There is a story about the Ananya and how she has fun with her family. She's Ananya, she's 8 years old, okay? She lives with her grandmother, parents and younger brother in a flat in Mumbai. Students, at home she eats tasty food, she listens stories from her grandmother and play with her brother. When she comes home from school, she read books with her grandmother, and in the evening her family have dinner together and then they all watch TV. On Sunday afternoon, they play the board games also like Carrom, Ludo and many others. So students, this was an example of Ananya, how she spent time with her family. I hope you also spend the time like this with your family. Now it is time to understand our volume sheet number 2, which is given on page number 20. Let's try to understand both the questions one by one. As you can see, 2 stories are given here. Let's try to understand these stories. The first story is about the Jaya and her family. Students, Jaya lives with her parents in Chennai. Her mother is a teacher and her father works in an office. Now students, every evening they all sit together to watch TV and they all have dinner together. On Sunday, they play games like Carrom and listen to music on radio. So this is about the Jaya and her family, how they spend time together. Now let's read about the Arav and his family. lives with his parents, grandparents and younger brother in Mumbai. Students, his parents go to work and come late in the evening. That's why Arav and his brother have dinner with their grandparents early in the evening. They read storybooks with their parents before going to bed. On holidays, they watch a movie on television. So that was all about the Arav and his family. Now students, there is a question related to these stories. Let's read it. The question is, write 3 things that Arav and Jaya do to have fun with their families. Now they're asking that we have to tell 3 things that Arav and Jaya do to have fun with their families. So we learned many things from them. We have to write only 3 things. So what we can write? See, we can write in Jaya's family, all sit together to watch TV. They all have dinner together. And on Sunday, they all play the board games like Carrom and Ludo. And they all listen the music on radio. Yes, and in Arav's family, Arav and his brother have dinner with their grandparents. Yes, they read storybooks with their parents. And on holidays, they watch movies. So we can write answer like this. Jaya plays Carrom, listen to the radio and watches television with her family. And Arav has dinner with his grandparents. He reads books with his parents and watches television on holidays. Now you can write any of the 3 points of your choice. Now the next question they are asking, how do you have fun at home? So students, we have read many examples. Yes, in content book we read an example of Ananya. Then in volume book we read an example of Jaya and Arav. That how they have fun with their families at home. Now it is your turn to write how you have fun at home. Suppose if I say that how I do fun, then I can say that I play board games like Scrabble, Ludo and Carrom with my brother. In evening, my family watch television together, and on Sunday, I cook tasty food with my mother. Yes, now in your volume sheets, you have to write that how you spend fun time with your family at home. Okay students, I hope this topic is pretty clear to all of you, where we identified so many ways how can we have fun at home. Now if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can ask me on WhatsApp. And your homework is you have to read page number 22 from your content book, and you have to complete your volume sheet number 2, which is given on page number 20. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.